B.O.B. airplanes. B.O.B. airplanes. I do a wish right now. I take my motorcycle and get in the town here. That's why I do everything but this. I do everything. My life is a butt stick. You gotta do everything. That isn't my life, but I dream for singing. And I'm doing it on YouTube right now. I'm doing it every day. Let's come. You gotta know about everything. You gotta know. Do everything. Who cares about a little sticky rock? Who cares about the rock? Take it all, take it to the now. Now you can't see everything but the time. Bring it up, bring it to your son. Bring it everything, but bring it to your dawn. Right. Now you gotta know what I do. I do it for a living and I do it for you. Yeah. Do it every day. Do it for the singing and I do it for my babies. Yeah. You gotta know what I do. When my black skin is on and my black skin is too. Then you gotta know for 4 times, 18 times, 18 times. Wow. You gotta know what a lifetime. You gotta know I came in for a lifeline. You gotta know when I came into this business. You gotta know I came for the win. I came to get rid of you. I came for everything.
Look at this.
I came for the life too. I came for that thing. And I came for bling bling. Take it, ring.
Go up the steps and come back.
I can't do it with the purpose I do it. I can be sharp whenever I want to be sharp. I can do it every day, but like a heart. You gotta know your heart needs true love. But then you have to know true love ain't real. You have to know when I'm right, when I'm right. I'm right when I do it all night. So you know when I do it.
Thanks for watching. Comment if you like it.